All right, guys, what's up, YouTube? Today, me and Drew have once again found another deal on not this time, not on Facebook Marketplace. I got a buddy. I seen a post on Snapchat, and he had like 3 Honda 300s, and he's like, for sale, you know, whatever. So I texted him because I was like, maybe need some parts get some good plastics, good racks for the red four-wheeler or something, I don't know. And I texted him like, how much you want? He said $450 for one four-wheel drive one, and it looks pretty mint. So I was like, that's a pretty good deal. And then he tells me he has 2 more. So Drew's picking up those 2, and
Eric's gonna be pissed.
yeah, we're gonna have what? That's 8 four-wheelers in Eric's shed.
Something like that. I got another one torn down in the basement.
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot about that one. The old purple four-wheeler that I sold to Drew. But
apparently I'm supposed to get the powder coat back in a few weeks or so. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll have a video on that. And last video, I didn't do a very good job at showing off the new four-wheeler, so I'll just go over it. We got 29.5 crush locks on some, what are these, freaking Aztec tires. It's got a winch on it. I think it's like a 2,500 pound winch. It's not hooked up yet.
Does have a fresh top end done by Drew.
It's got a 2.5 inch lift block. It's got some Amazon shocks on it.
Hey, talking about the fresh top end.
It's got a fresh top end done by yours truly. Drew me and Drew tore this thing apart, and he put a new top end for me on there. Yeah, other than that, it's got a new seat on it. It's got, that's about it. Oh, he put a 110 pit bike exhaust on it. You can hear it. It's pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So, yeah. Never really showed it. That's the rig. It's got a little light bar on it. Pretty nice. I don't know. We haven't been able to test it out because it's literally been like 10 degrees here in Missouri.
And if anyone's interested, this one's up for sale too.
Yeah, this is the one Drew was rebuilding last video.
Yep.
If anybody's interested in old girl. Rancher 350, electric shift, brand new top end, piston, rings, whole deal.
$800.
800 buckaroonies.
Hey, you ever seen this?
If you're in Missouri, comment or something.
Look at this.
You want this thing? Very good working electric shift.
Perfect.
But
all right.
yeah, so now we're just waiting on the guys to get here with the new barn find four-wheelers, and
all 3 of them.
Yeah, all 3. He's delivering them straight to the house, so that's pretty sick.
For cheap too.
But yeah, so I don't know. I guess we don't really have a plan for them. Just gonna get them running, have some fun, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, I guess we'll cut to whenever they show up.
Yep.
Here we are, boys. All right, guys. We just got the four-wheelers, and they're pretty nice. He just dropped them off. Here they are. What do we think, Drew? This is the one.
Pretty crazy, honestly.
Yeah, we got them for. I bought this one for $450. You bought this for $850. These 2. These are both 2-wheel drives. This one I bought's a 4-wheel drive. As you can see, it's got all kinds of grime and stuff on it. It's been sitting forever, but it's a 4-wheel drive, and it seems to be in pretty solid shape. Needs a new seat cover. Let's look at the tank. Oh my. God dang. Oh, yo, it looks mint. All right, tank is mint on this one. But yeah, pick this thing up for $450. That's a pretty dang good deal if you know 300s. Drew, what do you think?
Look how fat these tires are in the rear.
Look at these things.
Holy crap.
This one's got drag slicks on it. Look at it compared to that one. Oh my God.
This one's by far like the roughest.
It's the roughest, but the plastics are all pretty, are all pretty clean except for mine.
all of the wiring has been like cut.
The plastics on this one's really clean.
Like, what is this? What are we doing here?
Yeah, I don't know.
Joe.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna get these things. We're gonna try to get them running here. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. But pick these all up. We got what, 12, 800, 850. So that's what, 1300 or so.
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, we got a lot of four-wheelers now.
Yeah. Decent amount. Let's try to get them things. Let's try to get them running now.
Like here's a lifted 300 on some big wheels. Stock 300. Yep. All right, guys. Here's what we're thinking, right? So I've got the red Honda 4-wheel drive 300 that we just picked up in last video, right? That's mine. And Drew just picked up two two-wheel drive, one a red one, one a green one, and I got a green 4-wheel drive one, right? Well, here's what we're thinking. I've already got a 4-wheel drive one for mudding, and I kind of want a 2-wheel drive one to drift with. So, me and Drew are going to trade. We haven't even worked on them yet, but we decided I'm going to take this green 2-wheel drive one because this one will be fun to like drift in the snow, and we can still put a snorkel on it and drive in the river and stuff. Yeah. But I still got the 4-wheel drive one to go mudding with. And then Drew will have a red 2-wheel drive to go drifting with. I'll have a green one to go drifting with, and he'll have a green one to mud with, and I'll have a red one to mud with. So it's literally the complete opposite. So yeah, we're gonna get these things. We're gonna hopefully get these two going right here.
Or at the end of the day, I could swap the plastics over and make that one red and the green 2-wheeler.
So then we'd have matching. That would be kind of sick.
That'd be kind of tough. But who knows? We'd probably blown the fuck up anyways. Probably not even if we're gonna run.
Yeah. Nah, these will probably be good, but yeah. So, yep, me and Drew. Pleasure doing business with you.
Yes.
So I'm gonna probably leave this one alone, honestly.
Probably just gonna try to start it.
Probably gonna try to get it running, and this is gonna be my drift 4-wheeler. And I'm gonna put a huge snorkel on this, and we're just gonna take this thing crazy deep because I had one of these before with your 2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these ones, the 4-wheel drive ones, we can keep for mudding. I've already got this hauled built, and what are you gonna do? Probably the same exact thing. You're gonna go 2-inch lift.
Dude, this thing sounds.
That thing sounds promising.
All right, brother.
Dude. Oh, oh, yo,
Hey, the light comes
yo,
on.
hold this. Hold the camera.
How's it?
Yo. I think it'll start.
Think it just went.
I think it'll start if it get the ether. Get the ether.
Keep trying. Just keep trying it.
Let's see what's in there. Is this the one with the bad tank?
No. That's this red one right here.
There's like no fuel.
Yeah, I just put my last bit of fuel in that thing before we traded. Yo, I fuck with the scooter drips on this thing.
I know, those are actually crazy. Razor scooter. Dude, this thing might start up. Dude, it sounds like it wants to go. I'm not gonna lie.
Start it. Keep trying.
Yeah.
They're all fucked.
Yeah. We gotta get these things going for the snow.
Yeah, for sure.
Still, this thing reminds me of my old tan one.
Go. Put in the phone. Thing reminds me of a piece of junk. That's what it reminds me of, bud.
This one's a 98. This one's a 98. What's this one? Oh, wait, it's on the front, jackass.
What?
Right here. 98?
98.
97. 97.
97.
Yeah,
Who
both
got the
two
oldest
98s? You do. Wait, what's this one?
It's all painted. You can't see that
Stolen. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. It's gone.
Scratched then. All right.
That one's gone.
This might be the oldest. We don't know because
that one might be a 19.
We don't know because it's stolen. We don't know because it's stolen. Just like
98. So these things are like 28 years old or some shit.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. These are the new Hondas. So we're gonna have some fun with these things. I can tell you that for sure. Drifting in the snow. We got to get them going for this weekend because up here in Missouri, we're supposed to get a bunch of snow. Supposedly, it's Missouri. You never know. Might freak tornado. But yeah. So hopefully we can get them going. We can ride them in the snow.
It's all mangled, dude. They cut everything up on it. Everything.
This one all looks pretty solid.
Huh?
Said this one looks pretty solid.
It's good.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we'll cut back in when we start working on these suckers.
Yeah. All right, guys, we just discovered something. Tell us what's going on here.
First look at it. See this. Not what I want to see.
That is the ECM.
That's not. Then come to all of this.
Bunch of random
Bunch
wiring.
of ripped wires. You got a Amazon knockoff. And cut wires spliced in with blue. That's a new one. Blue electrical tape.
Yeah, I haven't seen that before. It's got scooter grips on it.
Also talking about no rectifier. It's not plugged in. The coil.
No.
Coil's just gone. Like,
Yeah, I don't know where that's at. It's just non-existent. A little ladybug right there.
nah,
Thing's pretty. It's
the tank was clean, bro.
Tank was pretty clean. It's still got the helmet sticker just like all these other ones. This one, this is the one that I just traded Drew for. If that's the real sticker, that's pretty freaking clean. I'm not gonna lie. This thing might be the cleanest one out of all of them.
It looks like these bitches were from like Florida or something, under pine trees or something.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what's going on with that. This one, oh, the rack is slightly bent on this one. It's not bad though. All right, so this one's gonna take quite a bit of work probably to get going. Mine shouldn't be too bad. The four-wheel drive one shouldn't be too bad either.
We're gonna see about that. Gonna rip all this wiring and shit off.
All right, I guess we're gonna get to work on them. All right, guys. So I didn't get it on camera, but me and Drew just kick-started. Let's do it again for video. Come here. Look at this. Check this out. We just sprayed a little bit of starting
I don't
fluid.
even need to spray it. It'll start up.
It's probably. Oh my God! Starts right up in idles. Are you serious? All we did was spray starting fluid in it, and it fired right up. I can't even believe this. Look at. Dude, it runs.
You hear that? That's weird. Dude,
Nah, whatever, bro. It literally started right up and it runs perfectly. Are you serious?
That's pretty crazy.
I can't even believe that.
Yo, found the battery charger.
No way. All right, guys, Drew's getting torn into this thing. We gotta connect all the wires and stuff, but I think this is the end of the video. We got old girl running good here. This one runs great. Drew's, we gotta figure out, I don't know what's wrong with this one yet. Probably just needs carb clean. You gotta do the wiring on that one. And yeah, so hopefully next video will more than likely.
I'm missing it.
What?
I'm missing that plug.
Oh, I don't know. It's probably in the bag. But more than likely next video will be us riding four-wheelers in the snow because we're supposed to get a good snow this weekend. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you all on the next one.
That one isn't on it.